I'm here today to introduce my new web application, StageLog, which can be used for project management, employee scheduling, and more. So let's start. As you can see at the beginning, there is a welcome back screen and sign in, as well as an option for those who want to try the trial. It's over here. Just click and continue with the 14 days free trial. There are a few major pieces of information which you have to add here, and you can start your full 14-day trial. For pricing, you can contact me, and then from there we can proceed. Let's go back to sign in. I'm going to use one demo account. After signing in, this is the environment which can be seen on the web, in the browser, as well as on mobile phones. Mostly we're using web applications like Chrome or Safari or similar. So let's start from here. Here you can see your name, and up here you can see the name of your company and the name of the application. In here, you can change the light theme of the application to white or black. So let's start from settings. In the settings, we have project types. These project types are randomly created. They can be added or they can be changed. The same thing is for AV roles, which can be added and changed as well. The same thing we have for vehicles. There is one extra feature where you can add a login background photo. Let's go to employees. In employees, we can see at the moment all employees which are added with their email, April type, and hours. If there is a part-time employee, of course, fewer hours will be shown here. You can make changes here, and at the bottom it's over there. Or you can create a new employee where you will get the same window where you can select and create your employee. Let's go to projects. On this page, the major things we can see are project name, client, date and times, and status. All of them can be added, or we can add a new project. Here we have project name, we have type, which we saw previously in settings, location, venue, client, the date. We can select the date from and to, default start time, default end time. We can add an optional note, so we can add anything here that will be shown. I'll show you later. Add crew. All of the employees we have are here, so we can select them and we can give them the role on that conference or that event. And we can add the times beginning and end if it's different than default times. Vehicles are there, as I showed you previously, and we can upload a file if there is an equipment file, a pull sheet, or anything similar. We can upload here for our employees so they can see all the details about what is going on at that job. Just do not forget this important thing. If you have more than one job with the same name, and you're trying to add Chris to a different job at the same times, the app will tell you that is impossible and give you a warning message telling you the exact details, that Chris is already booked for another job at that time. Also, the application during the booking, if it's within 1 hour or less from the end of the current job and we are booking him for another job, the application will tell you that Chris is already booked for a certain job. It can be edited, but just for your attention, he has just 1 hour or less to reach the other place. So that is for your awareness to follow up more and to have much more hands-on management of your people. Let's go to time tracking. Here you can choose all your employees and you can see the hours they worked today, this week, this month. For example, this month James was working 41 hours, 2 projects, 3 days work, and you can see all the details in this area. Schedule. This is the page which is shown first once you log in, and it's important for employees, especially that they can see all their jobs over here. They can click on My Jobs, and in that moment, the application will list just the jobs of James, as he's the user which is logged into the application. Here you can change the dates forward and backwards, and you can search by the week. So once you have opened My Jobs, you'll just see the dates where James is booked. For example, in this month, the 16th, 17th, and 20th. If we close My Jobs, we can see all the others as well. On the 16th, we can see there are 2 jobs, 1 extra. So basically, this is the basic explanation of my web application. I hope you'll enjoy it. Please contact me for more information. Thank you.